Why is this bird picking up a cigarette butt? Is it smoking? Nope. It's actually doing something smart and kind of gross. Scientists discovered that some birds use cigarette filters to line their nests. Why? Because the chemicals in the filters repel parasites like mites and lice. It's like natural pest control, but using toxic trash. But be warned, this doesn't mean cigarette butts are safe. They're still toxic and dangerous to wildlife. So smart bird? Maybe. Safe idea? Not really. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.